Welcome back to our series, How to Use YouTube for Customer Support. In this video, we're going to talk about how to distribute your support videos effectively so you can maximize utilization, drive cost savings, and make your investment in content creation truly pay off. If you've already produced your videos, the next step is ensuring they reach the widest possible audience. Once you've invested in creating support videos, distribution becomes just as critical as production. Your goal should be to make these videos easily discoverable and accessible. Unless there's a truly compelling reason, I never recommend placing your support content behind a firewall that requires login credentials. I often hear senior leaders say things like, "We don't want our competitors to know how we manage the business," or "We don't want them to see what our user portal looks like." But the reality is, your customer service processes and user journeys are rarely a competitive advantage. And if you press those leaders for examples, you'll likely find the reasoning comes down to a knee-jerk reaction, not a data-driven decision. In fact, the opposite is true. Having a highly visible customer support strategy can become a powerful differentiator. Today's customers, especially millennials and Gen Z, expect to self-serve. If they can't easily find support information, they'll often choose not to do business with your company at all. So visibility isn't just good for customer experience, it's good for your brand and your bottom line. There are multiple channels available to distribute your support videos, but the primary ones are YouTube and your website. Let's start with YouTube. Make sure your videos are set to public and invest time in SEO optimization. As we discussed in the previous video, strong SEO helps your videos rank higher both on YouTube and Google. Remember, most customers now start their support journey on Google or YouTube, not your owned assets like apps or websites. By meeting them where they are, you dramatically increase the chances they'll find your content first. Next, let's talk about your website. YouTube's embedding capabilities make it easy to integrate support videos into your website. Google also gives SEO priority to videos that are embedded into registered websites, which helps the algorithm identify your content as official and trustworthy. And whenever possible, embed the video directly. Don't just provide a link to it. This approach delivers two important benefits. It removes an unnecessary step for the customer, simplifying their journey. It also keeps them within your owned digital experience instead of sending them away. That said, it's still a good practice to include a direct YouTube link below the embedded video, so customers can save or share it for later. There are multiple ways to feature videos across your website, depending on your content strategy. A few options include a dedicated video library. This acts as a centralized page showcasing all your support videos. Or integrated knowledge articles, where you have embedded videos directly within articles. This allows customers to choose how they learn, either by watching a video or reading written instructions. Remember, it's perfectly fine to reuse the same video across multiple locations. Different customers prefer different learning styles, and your content strategy should support that. In the next video, we'll discuss how to pull metrics for individual videos, tracking video-specific metrics to understand the impact of your support videos. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part in this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in video 9, how to pull metrics for individual videos.